and welcome to Disney Kid at Heart. I'm Lisa Marie, and today we've got the second unboxing, unpacking of the Disney Lego Minifigures Series 2. Again, I bought another 10 packs, so hopefully we'll get some more new ones and not so many duplicates, fingers crossed. And I just wanted to share with you also, I managed to get this. And this is like a display unit for the Lego minifigures. I got this on Amazon. I'll insert the price now, and this has helped me display all my Series 1, which are at the back, and then the Series 2 so far at the front. It just keeps them all nice and neat, away from little fingers, that's the main thing, and they can be all nice together, a Disney collection. So, and it is removable, you can take the top off. The only thing is that it does come in pieces, which I need to tack it together so that I can lift it off as one big unit, and then it doesn't just all fall apart. But it is a really nice unit. So let's get on to the opening the figures. So I have 10 different packets, and hopefully we'll get some new ones. I got 6 new ones the first time round. I got Jafar, Jasmine, correct me if I'm wrong, Dewey and Louie, I think we're missing Louie, Dale and Jack. So hopefully we'll get some new ones. First one, let's see what we get. Oh, this one's a new one. I know, I've been looking forward to seeing this one. So I'll just make sure I get all the bits out. Quick look at the checklist and show you, in case you missed the first one. Oh, this one's taped. Right, so there are 18 different ones to collect. As you can see, all the cool figures. And it is Louie that I'm missing because it goes in order, so it's Louie, Louie, and I have the red one and the blue one. I'm missing the green one, so hopefully today, but on with the figure that I did get. And I got the original mouse himself, Mickey, as Steamboat Willie. And this is just awesome. I'm a big fan of Mickey anyway. How can you not be? He's the original mouse. He's the one who started it all. Okay, so you can actually attach this wheel onto Lego because of the piece there. So if you was to put him in like a play set with the ship wheel, you'd be able to actually use it as a piece. Just going to try and attach it onto his arm so he's holding it. There we go. So Mickey Mouse as Steamboat Willie. Really cute, and I'll give you a close-up of the figures that I get today at the end of the video. So on to number 2. Oh, you already see, this one unfortunately is a duplicate. This one is Jafar, which I already have, unfortunately, but it means I can share. Put that one there. Number 3. Okay, and this one, oh, awesome! I have got the black and white Minnie to go with me black and white Mickey. Cool. So I'll just quickly build her. Oops, forget my skirt. And she comes with a little float, lifesaver, boy, whatever you want to call it. And for some reason I got a spare hat as well. But there she is, the black and white Minnie Mouse. Awesome, I'm really glad I got them two together, that's awesome. I'm well chuffed. So, number 4. And this one, oh brilliant! Another one that I don't have. Put that little spare hat there. And this one is Hercules. I love Hercules the film. Hades is one of my favourite villains. I'd say he's my number 2 because I have a joint number 1 with Ursula and Maleficent. And then he's number 2. He's my favourite male. Let's quickly build Hercules. Oh, he has 2 faces. He has like the handsome winky face, and then he has the grimacy face. So we'll put the handsome winky face on, and his cool hairdo. Oh, I forgot his cape. These are a little fiddly to get on, but once it's on, it's fine. Pop his head back on. There we go. Spin his cape round a bit. And then he comes with a shield and 2 swords. So you could either hold both the shield and a sword, or both swords, or it might be that I've got a spare sword, I'm not sure. I'll give him the shield and sword, and there he is, the fabulous Hercules. There's a Lego minifigure. Cool. So on to number 5. I'll just put that sword there with Minnie's spare hat. Number 5 is, oh yeah, this is a new one as well. Cool. And this is Frozen from The Incredibles. So I'll just quickly build him. I haven't yet seen Incredibles 2. My boys have, I just haven't had a chance to see it myself. I've got it, it's just one of those I'll get round to, but I will watch it. It does look awesome, and I did really enjoy the first one. So I need to snap these little ice bits into his arms. There we go, and okay. And he's a little bit different because he comes on his little surfer disc. There we go. And then, oh, oops. 1 second. You didn't want to stay on his stand. Oh dear. Oh, yeah, I found it. Sorry about that, guys. Right. Try again. Confirm it. Yes, I think so. And Frozen. There you go. So, Frozen. Cool. So that's our 4th one, and we have the duplicate. So on to number 6. This one is, yes, we have Louis. So I have the final nephew to join his brothers. Brilliant. So 1 second and I'll get him built. Base a second whilst I just build his little torches. Oh, I think he only comes with 1 on the picture, but I seem to have an extra. That's okay. You can never have enough extra Lego bits. So here is Louis. That's pretty cool, and he can join his cousins now. Brilliant. So on to number 7. This one is a duplicate of the Steamboat Willie, Mickey Mouse. That's okay, that's a cool duplicate to have. Number 8. And this one is, oh, unfortunately another duplicate of Jafar. That's okay, more to share. Number 9. Another duplicate, and this one's Frozen. You can see by the disc. That's okay. And then final one, let's hope, fingers crossed, this isn't a duplicate. But if it is, that's okay. I've got 5 new ones so far. And this one is a duplicate, but not a duplicate of today's. It's actually a duplicate of the last lot I got, and this is Jack Skellington, but I know someone who's going to be very happy I got a duplicate of that one, because when my eldest son Zion saw Jack that I got him in my last opening, he was like, oh, I love it, it's awesome, cool. So I'm sure he'll have his name on this one. So I got 5 out of 10, which isn't too bad. It's 50%. I guess I'm just going to have to get some more next time I go out and about and see them. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Lego minifigures. I now have 11 out of the 18, so 7 more to go. Hopefully, fingers crossed, next time we'll get a few more new ones. Hope you enjoyed watching. Ta-ta for now.